New day.
Good
New
morning.
day.
New day.
Starting a whole new day.
Starting a whole new week.
Yeah, but today's already
Tuesday. Yeah.
Anyway, so we're leaving in a few days, a couple of days. Just got to tie up a couple of ends when it comes to the RV.
Yeah.
And other than that, the car's ready to go, ready to roll. The RV. Larry already buffed it up, cleaned it up.
Most of it.
It looks all nice and shiny. So, but yeah, we'll be leaving out probably at the end of the week.
Yeah.
God willing, because you know how the time is. You just never know.
Something always happening, something always changing.
Yeah. So I'm just going to push that out there and give you a little view of what's been going on here at the Big Dog RV camp. I have to call it that because that's where we're at.
Yeah.
And the neighbors, of course, Paul and Darcy. So let's see what's been going on here. Let's see. Got invited over to the neighbors. So we're going to go over here and eat some brisket that they've been cooking all day. And they have invited us over. Oh, dinner is served. Let's see over here. Oh, that roof looks good. They did a good job on that roof. Not bad. Looks like a good job. Anyway, time to eat. That's when it's on. Time to eat.
Yep.
Where's my plate?
Okay.
We're done. What about these?
Gotta peek outside, see what's going on.
Bounty absorbs spills like a sponge and is 2 times more absorbent, so you can use less.
Get to work. Did you move it? Can't hear me. You didn't do that side, huh?
What side?
This side?
I got to you.
You haven't got to it yet?
What's next? Right? Couple minutes before I take my break. Do a little bit and I sit down a little bit.
Nothing wrong with that. A fly. Do you see him? He's walking.
Oh, yeah.
He's big.
So camouflage.
He's right. Oh, there goes another one. You see it? Huh? That's not a baby. That one's almost, it's just a teeny bit smaller, but they're both. At first I thought it was a snake. They're going next door. They must live there. Good sanctuary for them. Have you ever had watermelon? It was so sweet. That was a good one. Good choice, honey. Gotta stop the music so we can come outside and see what these guys are doing. What are you sneezing about, Joey? There's Felix trimming the trees.
Yeah.
Cutting all our shade down. In the morning, this is all our shade. That way you'll never have a place to sit there now. That'll make sense. Oh, you're under there? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay.
I am now taking the filter leaf.
When you did that whole hour. Look at Joey. What are you guarding over here, Joey? See, I gotta check and see what Dad does when he changes the oil. Do you have a can to put it or something to put it in?
I will.
Oh, you have that bowl, huh?
Yeah. I took your rocks out. I put them back in after I cleaned it.
Oh, that's okay. That's quite all right. Is it dirty? It looks dirty.
Oh, it's dirty.
Dirty job. Somebody's got to do it, honey.
Yeah, save the money.
That's the dirty filter. It's dirty.
You only change it in 5,000 miles.
Yeah, but it's dirty. I've seen it worse. You know?
Well, here come Paul. Testing this new gate he just put in.
When you know that your dog is hot and he sits in front of the fan. You hot, Jojo? Huh? It's hot? Are you hot? It would have been hotter, but it's not. It's not really that hot today. I don't think it is. Mommy wanted you to go up there and sit down. You want to sit down right here with Mommy?
Yes.
Huh? No? You look good with your haircut. You look good with your haircut. Mm-hmm. Sun's going down. It's cold. Yeah. Stay there. Because the board is screened. Yeah, but do it real slow, otherwise it's going to take off. I told you. There's the mommy. She's like, go, 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 go. And that must be the daddy. Oh. I'm trying to be sneaky and sneak up on them. But these guys are really smart. Oh, they seen me. Watch them. They're starting to take off on me now. And that about sums it up, you guys. If you like our videos, hit the like button. Subscribe. You can always unsubscribe, but it helps us out in the long run. So please, subscribe and hit the like button. Leave us a comment. What do you think? See you on the next video.